So guys, we're about to start day number 5 of the ACT Italy track, and we're starting with a good amount of respect because we watched some of the videos from Touratech for day 5. They had similar weather conditions, it was all wet, and they were struggling quite a bit straight from the beginning. So after a restless night, we'll see how we get through that part today. They weren't kidding, 500 meters out of the gates, and we're starting the track. It's been raining the past few days, so if there's any muddy sections, this is going to become a lot of fun here today. This stuff is going to be really nasty. We saw that yesterday. The moment the tires plug up with the mud, you have zero traction. Now this isn't so bad here right now. looks really cool. The clouds coming in, cows grazing. There's a certain mood to it when it's not sunny. Kind of makes it a bit more interesting. Oh, a couple of doggies. I know those are vicious little fellas. I know. They don't like me. The dogs are always they're fun. They're trying to protect the cows. Sebastian said he had it one time and he was actually biting in his ankle. And he's still running behind me. So we didn't have to wait long to get to the next off-road section. It's nice, it looks like a nice forest track again, at least. Me like one. Ooh, a squirrel, black one. Oh, it's a long downhill. And some rougher rocks. Makes it look more challenging. Oh, the gang's missing. Shit, didn't even notice. Kaputt.
Das schaut wie Mann.
Das ist ja krass. Nee.
Ja, die lassen wir auch drin. Weil
Hast du Luft verloren?
ja, total.
Und jetzt?
Mal ausprobieren, ob er ein bisschen hält.
Versuche ich, wie weit ich komme. Also jetzt 2 Kilometer fahren, Pumpen, 2 Kilometer fahren.
Bist du deppert? Krass.
Ja, mal schauen, wie er da ist.
Nee.
Sowas habe ich auch noch nicht gesehen.
Das habe ich auch noch nicht gesehen. Das ist ja richtig... So well guys, we're on day number 5 of the ACT track, about a third into it, not even a third into it. And we've got a big rock stuck in Jochen's tire. I've never seen something like this before. I'll show you what it looks like. Absolutely crazy. Of course he's losing air and we can't really pull a piece out. Maybe we have to actually pull it out.
No chance.
Kannst du noch rausholen.
Ich hab eine Zange,
Ja, mach mal rein.
also ob du das Loch jetzt ein bisschen größer machst, ist auch schon nicht. Ja.
Holy shit.
Der hat echt alles dabei. Ich glaube, Franz ist besser, oder? What's the dentist when you need one? Thomas, this would have been your job.
Ja.
It's like pulling teeth.
Das ist ja ein Emergency Service.
Ich hab 3.
Oh.
Zeig her das Trickding. Ja, einmal für die Cam.
Ja, der ist auch richtig scheiß scharf. Und so klein, ja?
Krass.
Ja. Aber sag auch mal, dass wir selbst nicht glauben, dass das hier was wird.
Ja. Das ist mit mir jetzt fixable.
Sag das mal. So, ich habe hier
Genau,
diese
mit den Fäden.
Muss man das erst eigentlich
machen?
Das ist so richtig, ja?
Und das ist dann der Adapter für die Kartusche.
Das geht ganz easy rein.
Ja, so, und jetzt musst du es aber drehen.
Oh, das gute Zeug.
Das geht so easy, wa?
Nein, schon. Ja,
Er halt fest.
Grobmotoriker.
So.
Das mache ich nicht mehr, jetzt bin ich nach Hause.
Schön den Schmatter da.
Jetzt Fuß in der Kappe.
So, that's just cutting up the excess pieces. I mean, it's surprising that it actually holds pressure after this repair. Of course, the real test is going to be if we're going to get down the mountain here. If it's still going to hold pressure. Das ist doch das Tomatenmesser. Oh, oh. Fuck.
Erst Fotos machen, dann auflesen.
Ja, richtig. Okay, da hast du recht. Erst Foto machen.
Und dann muss man es inszenieren. oder? Ja, schau auf die nochmal. Ja. Sehr gut.
Und 2, 3. Okay. Steht auf dem Ständer?
Will der Jochen vorfahren?
Na, er weiß nicht, wo es ist. Ich fahre vor und Jochen hinter mir vielleicht. Und ich gucke ab und zu mal in den Spiegel. I lost my footing. That's the problem with the bike being so tall. Should have just gotten off the bike and try to turn around, but what the hell. So guys, this is the second place we're at right now, and we're really lucky. The lady from the first store, Barbara is her name, she actually drove over here to do some translation work. So Barbara was nice enough to help with Giovanni's and the translation so that we can get the tire fixed today. That's and that's the new tire. Here we go. Okay, there's still enough time to... Okay, we're done here. We got the best tire. Giovanni doesn't speak any English, but he has a repair shop right behind me, and he's actually fixing the NQ Wild tire. So he basically put the emergency plug out that we put in. That was just amazing that that worked in the first place. So he took all that out, and he's going to put a strip of I don't know what is, some kind of rubber, and glue it to the inside of the rim so we can still have an off-road tire. The alternative would have been to use a used tire, apparently Scorpion STR or something, but that looks pretty used, but it would have worked to just get the bike back. But this is better. So depending on how much time we lose here, we may actually ride some of the day 5 ACT trail, or we just ride it all the way until the very end, until it gets dark. Anyway, this is good, and hopefully we'll have it fixed. Also, he's doing it in his lunch break, because everything is closed here between 1 and 3 o'clock. We have the tire fixed. We had something to eat right next door to the place where we got the tire fixed. Now we're cruising around in the city, finding our way back to the ACT track. It's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So we'll see how much of the remaining track we can still go. I'm not quite sure how much of it we have left. About 180 is what my navigation system says. Maybe that's in the ballpark. So the track is 250 long, so we didn't get very far, obviously. So let's see how far we can make it to the track, and then if we are running out of daylight or energy, we'll just shortcut it today. That's fine. Oh no, another breakdown. It's a GS again.
No break.
Unreliable piece of... No, it's just putting the battery cover back on again. So far so good. Looks like the tire's holding up too. The ad hoc repair. Oh, so I'm warmed up again. Just had a little crazy incline. Big rocks. The bike was bouncing like crazy back and forth. Was ist los?
Ich wollte nur fragen, ob du vielleicht irgendwie willst du filmen oder?
Drohnenmäßig?
Weiß nicht, so windig, ne?
Naja, eigentlich nicht. Oder? Das ist eine gute Idee. Ja, ja, machen wir. Drohne, gut. Alrighty guys, it is 5 o'clock now. We're gonna shortcut the remaining part of the ACT track, which is about another 100 kilometers, which we're not gonna do because we had to change the tire or get the tire fixed. We're gonna go straight to the beach. We wanna see the end point, and then we have to go to the hotel, which is about a half an hour from that place. So yeah, we're gonna just take fast roads now and see you guys at the beach. So we are getting close to the official endpoint of the trip. Let's see how close we can get to the beach from here. Let's see what's happening here. I don't think we're supposed to be here. Maybe we are, I don't know. Jungs! Ja! Wie geil. Geil, geil, geil. Geile Tour. Ja, wenn der Walle das sehen würde, wie er geparkt hat, das geht ja gar nicht. Geile Tour, geile Tour. Thomas, geile Tour. Yes! Wir sind am Beach. Okay. Jetzt Gas. Alrighty guys, this is officially the end of the ACT Italy for us. We're at the beach and we took a lot of photos, the obligatory photos that you have to take. It's not the nicest day, but it's sort of warm compared to how it was in the mountains. So it was an awesome trip, lots of good memories that we have. All we have to do now is have a beer and some dinner, and then we're gonna part our ways, and we're already planning the next ACT. Maybe Portugal, maybe the Pyrenees Mountains.
Ja, heldenhaft.
So, geil. Geile Tour. Nur, dass keiner kaputt gegangen ist.
Die zahle ich.
Nee, das geht doch nicht. Ich bin bereit.
Ich habe heute Geburtstag.
Nein! Das sagt er jetzt erst.
Ja, ich wollte
noch
nicht
eine Runde. Also sag ich jetzt nochmal.
Das sagt er jetzt,
Dass er Geburtstag hat, wo wir hier hocken. Also muss auch alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Hey. Alles Gute zum 36.
Genau, richtig. Deswegen muss ich nochmal, wo du gefragt hast, muss ich nochmal kurz überlegen.
Aber ich sag mal so, besser kann man den Geburtstag eigentlich.
Ja, absolut.
3 total nette Typen dabei.
Ja, auch ein Romantikhotel.
Romantikhotel.
Oh, das nicht mit denen sagen.
Oh ja, da gibt es eine Wein umsonst. Es gibt nachher ein Eis mit einer Wunderkerze drauf.